Technology is one area that I embraced slowly as it came. When I worked at Bocuse, I would go to the market with him, and one day he said, put all these things in the car, and we went up to Beaujolais. And so we lit up this oven with wood. And I remember Mr. Bocuse opened the oven door, put his hand in there, and said, I don't need a thermostat. The chef has to feel the heat. You know, this intimate relationship as a cook with the heat. I had worked with masters who would express that to me. But then when technology came, I had to learn, how does this supersede these experiences, and what's the strength of technology? My name is David Boulay. I'm a chef of almost 50 years in the kitchen now, so most of you folks that would know me would know Boulay Restaurant. In the Boulay Bakery period, the rotisserie was visible because we had a lot of takeout and different things like that. And you could see the chickens turning on the broche. And one day, when the rationale came, we were using mostly in pastry and bread. So we said, well, let's try doing the chicken in those things that the rationale gave us. They hold the chicken this way, and there's a program. Within 4 weeks, the rotisserie was moved. I sold it, and we did all our chickens in the rationale. So we realized that the rationale program was more efficient. The moisture was unbelievable. Everything that we were looking for to accomplish with a rotisserie, a very expensive rotisserie, we were doing it in the rationale with less labor, less cleanup, less time, with a better result. That was when our attention went to the rationale. Wow, what else can we do with this oven? We never would have been able to embrace certain techniques, no matter how much we manipulated the environment to accomplish a certain goal. The rationale makes it simple. We've learned how to work with fermentation, so we need to maintain a certain temperature and a certain humidity. So we use a rationale for that. And now that level of science, when we're dealing with bacteria, the rationale oven is very comfortable with. I mean, these cycles in the rationale are like way beyond our mind in terms of the results we can get. I'm still learning in terms of things that I didn't know I could do in an oven. This can do a program of different dishes on each shelf, and it can tell us when those 10 dishes are ready at different points. This took so much time for us. We had to look at the oven all the time, set timers everywhere. I mean, when you think about logistics, not just the results of cooking, how efficient it makes us and how much it's reduced risk of falling into trouble. It's driving lower labor costs and giving us a more consistent quality and service in the restaurant. We don't know of any tool in our kitchen that supports us with that kind of efficiency as the rationale.